very good day to all my students. Today we'll start with the last lecture on the topic working capital management. The topic for the day is how to finance a working capital. Working capital financing mix is the topic for the day. As we all know, the working capital can be financed by the two ways. Number one is the long-term sources of finance. The number two is the short-term sources of finance. With the help of these sources of finance, we'll have three approaches. The first approach is called as hedging approach or matching approach. The second one is conservative approach and the third one is aggressive approach. Now let us discuss these approaches very briefly. The first one is the hedging approach. According to the hedging approach, the process of matching, that is the debentures or the long-term debts, should be matched with the financial needs of a company. According to this approach, there are two sources of finance, the permanent and the temporary. The permanent sources are those which are required to carry on the normal business operations and they do not vary over the time. While the temporary or seasonal sources are those which are required to meet the emergencies. Our second approach is the conservative approach. According to the conservative approach, the current asset should be only financed by the long-term sources and the short-term sources of the finance should not be used. Our third approach is the aggressive approach. According to the aggressive approach, the entire current assets should be financed from the short-term sources. This approach is very practical, more risky, less costly and more profitable. Now let's have a look at these particular statements. We have about 12 months data: January, February, March, April and December. We are investing in current assets. They are 50,400 first month, that is the month of January. February में है 50,000, 48,700, 48,000, 46,000, 45,000 and so on. Again, permanent or fixed investments are 45,000 in every month. Then there is difference or temporary or seasonal investment. 50,400 minus 45,000, it turns out to be 54,000. 50,000 minus 45,000, it turns out to be 5,000. Similarly, 3,700, 3,000 and so on. So these all should be financed. This amount, that is 5,400, 5,000, 3,700, 3,000 and so on. This should be financed by the short-term sources of finance according to the hedging approach. Now let's see what the conservative approach says. You can have a maximum amount of investment in current assets. It is 52,000 in the month of November. Since it is 52,000 in the month of November, this amount will be financed with the long-term sources of finance and no short-term sources of finance will be used according to this particular approach. Now let's see what the aggressive approach says. The aggressive approach says that the current assets should be financed by the short-term sources of finance. No long-term source of finance should be used. As we know that this chapter is important for practical point of view, you can have a practical questions along with some theory questions also. These are few theory questions. The first question is, what are the new trends in financing the working capital by the banks? Here we can discuss the report of the different committees, Tandon Committee, Chor Committee and so on. Beside this, we have already discussed a few theory questions. They are, what is working capital management? Discuss the concept and kinds of working capital. Second question is, discuss the advantages and disadvantages of adequate and inadequate working capital. My third question can be, discuss the factors which determine the working capital requirements of a company. This question is very important. Next is how the working capital can be managed. Now next question is, how can a company finance a working capital? This is also important question. And the last question is, what is working capital financing mix? Explain with the help of an example. These are the few theory questions. This chapter is, as I've already told you, is very important for practical point of view, but we can also have these theory questions.